In previous video, we learned to install WordPress on our local computer. In this video, we will explore WordPress dashboard's very important features that a new user should be aware of and that are necessary to start working on our site. So this is how our WordPress website looks at the back end, also called the WordPress dashboard. This is the area where you will be doing most of the work, like adding some new functionalities or managing your overall site. So we have just installed WordPress, we haven't started building our site. Let's see how our site looks at the front end. Hover over the name of the site in the top left of the dashboard and click Visit Site. This look of the site and this whole page is provided by the theme we have currently installed. Themes are built-in site templates that you can modify to build your site quickly. Most of the time, themes have all the built-in functionality that a simple site should have. Beside this home page or front page, this theme provides a sample page in the menu bar. In the dashboard area, you can go to the appearance and themes to see which themes you have currently installed on your site. Currently, we have 3 default themes that come with WordPress. There are thousands of paid and free themes available online that you can directly install and activate from here. Currently, we have 2024 activated here. Let's activate a different theme to see the changes on the front end. Click Activate and go to the front and refresh the page. You can see that this theme provides a completely different look and the front page or the home page that comes with the theme is completely different here. Great thing about WordPress is that you can modify everything here according to the functionality and how you want your site to look. Let's go back and reactivate the same theme. Then the most fun part of the WordPress is the plugins. Plugins add extra functionality to your site. You can literally add any functionality that a site could possibly have with the help of the plugins. And there are thousands of choices in the WordPress repository of plugins when it comes to installing a specific plugin. Currently, we have not installed any plugin. These are the plugins that come with default WordPress installation. We can add new plugins from this area and activate them. Then we have this users area. You will see in later videos that users are very important part of the site. Currently, we only have one user with the role admin. When we install the WordPress, there will be only one user who installed the WordPress. Since I installed the WordPress, so I am the only user here. We will learn more about users in upcoming videos. And then we have tools. Tools allow you to export and import your WordPress site data, and if you are a WordPress developer and know how to code, you can edit your themes and plugins files directly in theme file editor or plugin file editor. I'll make a separate video about tools in WordPress. Then we have this WordPress settings. We will come back to the settings in later videos. Then coming back to the posts. Since the WordPress started as a blogging platform, so the posts are what makes the WordPress. The default posts in WordPress are blog posts, but we can have custom posts that can be used to show specific information to audiences like news, testimonials, products, etc. You can see currently that we have only one post, Hello World. You can add new posts and WordPress editor will open and you can start adding post title here. You can click this plus sign and add different type of blocks like image, paragraph for adding images or paragraphs in your post. Let's add image to the post. You can click that plus sign again and add a paragraph block to the post. Let's go back to the WordPress dashboard. You can see the post that we created is available here and we can edit it again from here and you can click view to see how it looks on the front end. You can create tags and categories for the posts. We will learn about them later. And then we have very important pages section. Pages show you static content that will not change over time. Posts show you the content or information that may change over time. Both pages and posts can be edited with the same editor or page builder. We will learn about WordPress editors or page builders in later videos. Currently, we have two pages, privacy policy and sample page, that came with WordPress and default themes. You can edit and view these pages here, or you can add a new page from here. We will learn how to create specific pages later. We are not going to edit this page, we will just name this page, and you can see that the page is available here. And with this version of the WordPress, the page that we created is automatically added to the top menu bar of the site. That's all in this video. In next video, we will teach you some of the basic things you need to know to start building your site.